If you are looking to copy the entire column data in Google Sheet, then you can follow this video. So this is on sample Excel sheet or Google Sheet. This is from Google Sheet, you are seeing that. So here we want to copy this entire column. So on the top, A, B, C, D, these are the column name. So if I want to copy the entire column in Google Sheet, what you need to do? We just need to click here first, and then the whole column will be selected. Then on top of the border or on top of the cell or column number name, right click, and then this type of menu will be appeared. From here, just use copy this option or command C. I'm using Mac computer, that's why it is showing command C. So I'm going to copy it, and now it's time to paste it. We can paste immediately here or anywhere. For example, we want to paste in each column. So we have to select this column first, then the entire column will be selected. Then you can use command V or control V of your keyboard, and here you will see there control V is for Windows and command V is for Mac computer. And here we are seeing the entire column has been copied from column B.